Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 notifications not working. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Privacy. Click Background Apps. Make sure Turn on Apps Run in the background. Click System. Click Notifications and Actions. Make sure Turn on notifications from apps and other senders. Second method is, right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type sfc/scano. Type Exit. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.